yes, I'm rocking this pink overthrow again because I love it so much. I know I need to go shopping. I need to get new clothes. Hey everyone, it's me Ice again, and today I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna be filming, so I'm doing my makeup. So of course I am going to prep my lips with my favorite Too Faced lip injection right here. I swear by this. Oh, I know Ulta's having their like 30 days of beauty or something. 20 days, I don't know. 21 days of beauty, I'm not sure. I recently got this Shiseido eye mask. As you can see, like I left it overnight and it helped a lot with depuffing. It's $20 for 3. It is $70 for a lot more. I'm not too sure like how much more, but I'm gonna buy the $70 one because that helped with my under eyes significantly. Because guys, if you know, I work and I wake up really early in the morning and sometimes I look a little tired. It helped out a lot, so I'm gonna buy this. It's $70, but it's worth it. Also, I went out yesterday downtown here in the city, and I wanted to visit MAC because I've been thinking about MAC lately, and I don't know how to feel about MAC anymore. But their foundation, I've been thinking about, I don't know, I'm thinking about purchasing it. I'm not sure. I'm happy with my foundation, but again, like I said in the last video, I have to get that Huda Beauty Luminous foundation because, of course, as you know, I'm tired of cakey foundation. I don't think a lot brands are doing that anymore. It's more lighter. Like, I don't know. I'm not into it anymore, like all that cakey stuff. I think I need something more breathable. I don't know. I haven't used MAC for a minute, and I went on their website. I feel like they don't have a lot of options anymore. It's very, I don't know what happened with MAC. I feel like they kind of fell off. Here, like they completely fell off. I don't know what happened there, but I'm thinking about getting it. I went downtown yesterday and I went to see the MAC counter, and boy was it empty. No one was there. Like no one. I was like, wow, it is so empty here. I wouldn't say competition, but there's a lot of products. There's so many brands out, and Macy's is looking really empty. Very empty. It's so sad because I don't know, retail is gonna change. Before you know, there's no more malls, which is so sad. Very scary, if you ask me. But yeah, very empty yesterday, which was kind of sad. I'm applying my, of course, Outside the Vitamin Glow. I'm waiting on that Kaoli fragrance. I really want to try it. And what else? I want to get the vanilla coconut. I had a change of heart on that one. Looks very interesting, so I really want to try it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I'm so scared. I've had this, but I'm like, I haven't used it for a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. If I look away, it's just because I have a mirror, either right here. I'm gonna get a mirror, so if I'm not looking at the camera, that's why. I'm gonna dab a little here. I don't want to put too much. I know people really like the double wear. I haven't used it for a hot minute. Okay, it's looking pretty nice. Okay, you guys, so I applied it. It looks nice. I didn't put too much, but I'm not doing my neck because I'm filming and I usually cover my neck anyway. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealers from Huda Beauty. Today for palettes, the palette I'm using is, I had to go, I have a lot of Huda Beauty palettes and I had to use my rose quartz. Is it rose quartz? Yeah, because it's so pretty. I couldn't help it. If I'm looking away, there's a mirror right here. So I'm just highlighting the key areas. Not a lot. Not a lot, since I'm gonna be home anyway. Other concealer, all the, yeah. Anything else? Not really. I think not too much. I'm gonna go ahead and my face. I'm thinking about doing a full face of MAC. Let me know if you want me to do it. I don't know. I've been thinking about MAC a lot, but I went on the website. There are not a lot of options. It's wild. I don't know. And a lot of their locations here is shut down. We do have like a NARS store too here in the city. I don't know, NARS or MAC. MAC or NARS. There's 2 stores in like up where I live. There's some like a nice boutique-ish area that does have it, so let me know. NARS or MAC, full face of what? Let me know. Okay, you guys, so I'm just combing my hair, and I know I've been in the middle of my hair journey, so I'm gonna back up a little bit and show you my hair so far. It's been growing, but of course, like I said, I trim it. If I see split ends, you cut it. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. It's been growing. My ends pretty much suck a teeny bit. It does, but it's okay. We're doing good. There's progress. So I'm really happy how far my hair journey's been. So yeah, this is what we have. It's been like it's probably gonna be almost a year or so since I cut my hair. Been taking oils and switching shampoos. So yeah, it's growing, it's getting there. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Yes, I'm rocking this pink overthrow again because I love it so much. I know I need to go shopping, I need to get new clothes. This one here, I like it. I mean, I had this because they were raving about this. I think Shayla got me onto this. I mean, it's pretty. I don't know, it's beautiful. Like, don't get me wrong. It is beautiful. Let me look at it. You know what? This is pretty. This is very pretty. It's just nice to have. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty. I know I'm not like, oh my god, but it's like, it's beautiful. I liked it. Good option. It's like, it would fall like, it would be like my second to third choice. I mean, it is beautiful. I would wear this at night if I was going somewhere for sure, but it's pretty. I think today's glam was very different, very, I don't know. I like the look. I think it's very pretty. And I'm wearing Thunderbolt earrings. I usually wear my gold ones, but I have my Thunderbolt earrings. And yesterday, when I went to Macy's, it was like, well, it was a weekday. Yeah, so there wasn't a lot of people. But I went and my necklace broke, and I got this one here means so much to me, so I went ahead and got a new new necklace. It broke here. Then I went to downtown to get a new little like necklace thing here for it, and it was like I didn't know they had a sale going on, so it was 40% off. So I got this for like $30-something, and it was so dead there. It was pretty fucking sad, like, if you ask me, because I'm like, ugh, you know, retail is getting whooped. I said, can you imagine if we never will be able to walk into places like this again, because just the way things are right now, it's pretty scary. Dior had a thing going on with makeup. MAC, I'm tempted to go to MAC. I don't know, guys, should I go to MAC or NARS? So discuss that within yourself. I don't know. Other than that, I'm liking today's look. I think it's very pretty. I hope you like today's look, and I will see you. Oh, and everything I use I will put down below. So I hope you like. I like the highlighter from Kimchi Beauty. It's gorgeous. It's like a magical type of glow going on here. I love it. All right, guys, other than that, that is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the glam, the hair, and everything else. I'll list everything down below. And thank you. I'll see you. Bye.